Around the world, 62.5 million teenagers suffer from depression. And in the US, about 4.5 million teenagers experience signs of depression. Currently, doctors use clinical evaluations to diagnose depression. However, studies have shown that clinical evaluations are extremely inaccurate as depression is correctly identified only 47 to 50% of the time. This is a significant problem as it means that millions of teenagers receive a misdiagnosis of depression, which leads to significant increased risk of suicide. This problem is especially prevalent in District 16 as Henry M. Gunn High School, located in Palo Alto, California, has a suicide rate of 4 to 5 times higher than the national average. Although Henry M. Gunn High has made attempts in improving the mental health of students, suicide is still prevalent, emphasizing the need for a solution to this problem. Introducing iDiagnosis. iDiagnosis is an app that helps solve this problem by providing an accurate assessment of depression in real time. iDiagnosis uses the affordable Muse headband to monitor electrical signals from the brain and AI to detect abnormalities in the electrical signals to determine whether or not the user is experiencing depression. iDiagnosis was developed using VS Code and the Pedalmetrics API to be able to efficiently streamline the data from the Muse headband. The AI model is trained on an EEG psychiatric disorders dataset from Kaggle to detect increases in alpha and theta waves and decreases in delta and beta waves. The AI model classifies whether or not the user is experiencing depression with an 86% accuracy rate by using a powerful machine learning algorithm called a random forest algorithm. The result of the diagnosis is outputted onto the app through text for the user to see. Here is how iDiagnosis is used. First, the user connects the Muse headband to the app via Bluetooth. The user wears the headband so it can measure the user's electrical brain activity using electrodes on the device. The user then waits a few seconds for the model to analyze the electrical signals to output a result of the depression assessment on the app. Depending on the result of the diagnosis, there will be a note that includes the next action the user needs to take according to their health needs. We're currently actively improving the development of iDiagnosis in order for it to be used clinically. The recognition we receive in the Congressional App Challenge will help make our mission of helping teens suffering from mental health a reality. Thank you so much for listening.